She was 17, prettiest girl I've seen. But the fact she ran away, it then left me in dream. The sweetness of her smile, so beautiful. I wish she left me here today, standing in LA. It's raining in LA, makes me wanna say, and the sunshine tomorrow, and it will rain any day. Stay here with me, just for a while, and some change your song, begging you to smile. The southern wind blows wild, sitting down on the bed. Her shirt so like silver.